Why did Zimbabwean opposition leader Jameson Timba avoid jail time? Let's break it down. Senator Jameson Timba and Jason Timba received 2-year prison sentences, fully suspended for 5 years. 8 other Harare residents, including 8 women, were given 14-month sentences, also fully suspended for 5 years. These suspended sentences are conditional on not participating in any illegal gatherings that incite public violence. Magistrate Colette N. Cube, who handed down the sentences, noted that the group, being first-time offenders, deserved another chance. Timba, the interim leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, was arrested on June 16, 2024, and spent over 5 months in jail. The arrests have been criticized by human rights groups as politically motivated. Stay informed and stay engaged. This is a pivotal moment for Zimbabwe's opposition.